Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to customize the look and feel, appearance, settings of VS Code, Visual Studio Code with a simple local JSON file. So if you only want to change this only for a directory or a session, the easiest way is to create a folder called as .vscode inside your working directory. So I created this folder .vscode. Inside this you need to create settings.json file. So we are not actually changing the global settings. We are simply creating a settings.json file for this session only, for this directory only. So I pasted this code. I have given this JSON code in the description of the video. So this is just a color customization such as changing the background, terminal background, sidebar background. So if you this is a property which controls the background of the VS Code editor.background. If I try to change this, as you see, the background will change. This is the easiest way by which you can customize the look and feel of VS Code. There are so many properties you can control. This is simply this property to control, and simply goes for the sidebar as well. If you do want to customize the color of the sidebar, then we have activity bar as well, which is this one, this section. Then we have the panel background. So I think this is the panel. Yeah, so these are the panels that are. Then if you do want to change the terminal color as well, you can even change that as well. If you now open the terminal, the background will be changed. Title bar, status bar. So just create this JSON file and you can customize all these properties in just 2 minutes. I've given this code in the description of the video. It's workbench color customizations. These are all the properties. Similarly, we also have text properties as well. So if you try to write this text, VS Code will give you all the properties in the autocomplete. So if you see text font size, I think. So you have all these properties right here. In this way, you can customize it in VS Code. So if you delete this, everything will be restored, as you see.